Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, southern Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, central Fulton County in south central Pennsylvania until 7 o'clock p.m. At 5:57 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Big Cotandery, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Mercersburg and Clalick, Greencastle and Marion, Waynesboro and Montalto, Rouserville, Carroll Valley. This will impact Interstate 81 between mile markers 1 and 11. This will also impact the following major roads: Route 11, Route 15, Route 30, Route 522. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772.